Alrighty, this is going to be the installation for the dash cam for the company that I partnered with, which is Blackvue. So I'll be installing this dual dash cam setup with a backup battery, and I actually have a Blackvue camera. I've had a few accidents before, and I ended up buying a few dash cams, but they were pretty much like Chinese product. Things that went bad died, so I ended up doing a lot of research, and a few years ago I ended up finding about Blackvue and how high quality their cams are, and they don't die within, our 100 plus degree weather here in California. So this is actually my old dash cam. It's still a 4K. This was in my BMW M550i, which I don't have anymore since I've traded it in for the X5. But I'll be doing an installation for the X5 with this camera and backup battery as well too. But for this installation, this is going to be on the RX-7, so it's going to be installed on this vehicle here. You can see my kiddo there playing around. And thanks to our team Prolific, they had some connections and talked with Blackvue, and we basically partnered up with them. So what they actually provided was the latest model that they have, which is the DR970X. It's a 4K camera with a 2-channel and LTE connection, meaning basically you can upload video to the cloud. And they also provided the latest backup battery, which is the PowerMagic Ultra Battery B130X. So out of everything, they even gave me some swag. It comes with a lot of connections, and what I found out is basically this is the only wires and components I'll be installing. This is extra that they provided for pretty much any vehicle installation. So like this is just extra hardware connections for the battery itself and to the cameras. If you're not connecting a backup battery, cigarette lighter ports, connections, and even an OBD2 adapter if you want to power it up from your OBD2 sensor. But since my car is a 93, we don't have onboard diagnostics or OBD connections, so we're going to go straight for the out of fuse connection. So we'll be basically powering the backup battery with the out of fuse connection, one of the fuse boxes. I'll charge up the battery. Battery's going to be powering up the cameras this way with this connection right here. And then we're going to be installing the rear camera as well too. Camera connection to the rear connection is both video and power via this wire right here. So everything that you see in this area right here is the only things that are going to be installed in the RX-7. Those are not needed for this installation. But anyways, yep, so that's going to be it. Bye.